All right, Christian Rivera, Classic Cars of Palm Beach. We're doing a walk around video on this really pretty 2008 Saab. We're going to do this video not necessarily to hype up the car, but to point out any flaws or blemishes whatsoever on the car. So there's no surprises to any of our out-of-town buyers. Front bumper looks real good. Got a little bit of transfer that just needs to be detailed off down there at the bottom. Rest of that bumper looks really good. Couple blemishes from where there was a front plate frame there. Headlight as a whole looks pretty good. Front grille looks real good. Second headlight looks good. Hood looks fantastic. Couple little tiny chips here and there, but nothing major. Front fender looks excellent. No major scratches, dents, or dings. You got a tiny little chip here and a small ding there. Front wheel looks great. No curb rash. Tires are brand new on this car. Driver's side looks fantastic. No major scratches, dents, or dings. Rear bumper looks really good. You got a tiny blemish right here. But for the most part, the bumper looks fantastic. Rear tail lights look really good. This tail light's got some wear. Some of that might come off. Almost looks like adhesive. I'm going to get the key so we can open up that trunk area for you. It'll fit a set of clubs. Just got to kind of tuck them in there a little bit. Nice and clean. Passenger side looks the same. Tires are all brand new. Wheels look great. No scratches, dents, or dings on the passenger side either. Glass looks real good. No chips, no stars, no bursts, no cracks. Let's get a look at the top. You got a little fade here on the trim, but it's all intact, so it's just kind of some paint that's faded over the years. Top's in phenomenal shape. It does appear to be the original top. However, it was kept inside. Stitching looks fantastic. I don't see any holes, no rips. Glass is all intact. Driver's seat, or let's start with the driver door first. Door looks really good. A little bit of wear on the buttons, but nothing crazy. The paint on the inside is just stunning. The paint on the entire car is just fantastic. Driver's seat. All right, so this is original. I don't see any paint on these seats. They don't look like they've been redone. The seats are amazing. Really good condition. Looks like it's got some all-weather mats. Dash looks fantastic. All the buttons look fantastic. They're all in great condition. Passenger seat looks great. Headliner's all intact. Really nice. I'm going to start it up. Ice cold AC, no warning lights on the dash. Now we're going to take a look at the top down. All the paint looks fantastic on the top. There you go. Check it out. All the paint looks fantastic right here. Super clean. There is no rust on this vehicle up underneath. This car was kept inside almost its entire life. Take a look up underneath the hood. super clean.